It's a beautiful day outside. Birds are singing, flowers are blooming. On days like this, kids like you should be burning in hell. Turn around, kid, it'd be a crime if I had to go back on the promise that I made for you. So don't step over that line, or else then you're gonna have a bad time. But kids like you don't play by the rules, and guys like me, it ain't easy to be played for fools. So let's go, let the room get shit up. Let's go, dirty brother. Go ahead and try to hit me a table, cause you figured out that much is on the table. I can tell you're getting really sick of trying, but I think you're just mad you keep dying. You're not gonna win when we're here together, fighting in this judgment hall forever. And now you just reset each time I'll beat ya, but I'll always be right back here to meet ya. I know you're made stops. This is where it ends. If you want to get past me, well, you better try again. But no matter how I stall you, you don't give up your attack. Do you just like the feeling of your sins crawling on your back? Go ahead and try to hit me with a table. You should know by now that much is off the table. Think that you can try to stand me like I'm someone when you didn't spend my brother's so the dumb time. Don't disappear, but everything you turn about is like I am the mercy, I am the vengeance, I am the determination. I know you're made but I think I'm stronger than you.